cozy shed. Mommy cat said, time for bed. The kittens giggled, shook their head. Let's play more, they instead. Meow, meow, jump so high. Chase the yarn, touch the sky. Spin around, don't be shy. Mommy laughs with a sigh. Baby kittens found a shoe. Is this a boat for two? Mommy sighed, that won't do. Splash, it fell in milk, oh no. One day Mama Cat sat so tall, her kittens bounced like a fluffy ball. Left, right, up so high, oh no, they tumbled, my oh my. Meow, meow, come back here, no more jumping everywhere. But the kittens giggled, full of glee, racing circles round the tree. Kitten 1 found Mama's hat, Kitten 2 sat on the mat. They played dress up looking cool, till they tripped into the water pool. Meow, meow, come back here, no more jumping everywhere. But the kittens giggled, full of glee, splashing water wild and free. Roll, roll, roll around, baby pandas on the ground. Mama laughs big and bright, hugging them so warm and tight. One climbs up a bamboo tree, the other giggles wild and free. Mama calls, come back here, they slide down and cheer. Roll,